Hello students, today we will start types of system software. First is operating system, language processor, utility software, device driver and BIOS. First we will start operating system. Let's learn what is operating system. The most important type of system software is the operating system. Why it is most important? Because you know that without OS, computer is a dumb machine. Computer cannot do anything without the OS. Operating system provides an interface between the user, applications and the computer's hardware. Operating system is an interface which will help the user to interact with the applications and with computer hardware. These programs are used to govern the controls of the computer hardware components. You know that OS is a program which governs all the controls of the computer hardware components such as processor, memory device and input output devices. As I already told you, input output devices, keyboard, mouse, these all when attached to the computer, OS recognizes it and it will notify you it is ready to use or not. All the controls are accurate or not. So processors, memory devices, these all also controlled by OS, operating system. The operating system is the main program of a computer. As it is important for computer, so we know that it is a main program of a computer that has the following functions. What are the functions? Allocating internal memory. It allocates you internal memory. It allocates you the space to store our data. Preparation for programs. When the programs are ready to use, these all are prepared by OS. Controls various types of devices. You know that OS controls input output, processor, memory devices. OS controls various types of devices. An operating system may allow more than one program to run at the same time. What operating system allows? You can use one program at the same time in your computer system. You can hear music, you can do following tasks such as Word, Excel, PowerPoint, anything. So OS may allow more than one program to run at same time. It can be text based as MS-DOS or graphics based such as Windows and Linux. These two are the Windows. MS-DOS disk operating system and next operating system is Windows and Linux, which are graphical based. Now we are using Windows because it is a graphical based operating system which is easy to understand and easy to control. That's why we are using Windows operating system nowadays. Because MS-DOS was text based only, that the graphical features are not included in this. That's why we developed Windows. Operating system is the main program that governs and maintains the incorporation of the components of computer system. What operating system do? Operating system, you know that it is a main program or an important program or an important software that governs and controls, you know that, and maintains intercooperation of the components. The components which are attached to the computer that are governed and maintained by operating system. Some examples are Microsoft, Windows, Linux, Mac OS, etc. See the pictures which are I attached with this video. See the pictures. So these are examples: Apple iOS, Microsoft Windows, Mac OS and Linux. I hope you already understood about the operating system by picture also.